Welcome back to the podcast. Today we are diving straight into a deeply unsettling, breaking situation unfolding in Uganda that has sent shockwaves through the legal and political communities. Former Kampala Lord Mayor and prominent opposition lawyer Erias Lukwago has been taken. The People's Front for Freedom has outright termed it as state abduction, a sentiment echoed broadly across the political spectrum. We have heard directly from fellow lawyer Medard Sseggona, who laid out the chilling reality, stating we don't know where Erias Lukwago is at the moment or how he is doing. However, we know who has him, and that is the CDF Muhoozi, who tweeted that he has him and has been sharing photos.
Since yesterday, we haven't slept. We literally have not eaten. I was trying to take some coffee, and you invited me for this. We don't know where he is. We know who has him.
Who is that?
Muhoozi tweeted and said he has him, and he started sending photographs of Honorable Erias Lukwago. The family was able to recognize both the person and the clothes, apart from the one that he put on his face and nose and mouth. I don't know how he is breathing now. First, he has lately been having respiratory problems following his admission in India
Last year.
and his operation. So with that cloth tied on his mouth and nose, only God and
This isn't just speculation. It is playing out right in front of the public eye on social media. General Muhoozi, the Chief of Defense Forces, openly posted about the capture, even sharing deeply disturbing images. We are referencing two specific, highly alarming images circulating from this update. A man resembling Lukwago is seen blindfolded with a checkered cloth, sitting against a tile with his hands clasped of desperation. In the second of the image, it is very clear that it is Lukwago because his face gets unfolded, and it is Muhoozi himself posting all this. The political fallout is immediate. Former Member of Parliament, Dr. Odonga reacted passionately to these terrifying visuals, warning that creating fear is merely a temporary sedative measure and that the underlying systemic problems will inevitably resurface. Otto raised a haunting question that sits heavy with everyone today. Fear has never ruled or governed humanity. Creating fear is very temporal and a sedative measure. The real problem will show up no matter how long. If all lawyer and Lord Mayor can be treated this way, what about Joseph Kony or Jami Mukulu? He went ahead to admit that Muhoozi doesn't joke. I used to doubt Muhoozi, but now don't. Compounding the chaos, the Ugandan police initially claimed they lacked details on the cause of the arrest during their press briefings, despite military involvement being proudly broadcasted online.
Somebody has talked about the arrest of the Lord Mayor, former or emeritus, Honorable Erias Lukwago. I'm not aware, but in the event that I get more information about it, we can always share it. Yeah.
Lukwago was seized just as he was legally pursuing General Muhoozi over ongoing social media threats. This brazen disregard for due process marks a dark day for the rule of law, and the police statement is a confirmation that it is not an arrest, but rather an abduction. Where is the line between state security and lawlessness? We will keep following this story as it develops. Stay subscribed.